Hello student, today we will discuss general knowledge. First unit is our India and name is newspapers in India. First of all, what is the newspapers? Newspaper is a printed form, means newspaper in printed form में होते of communication that spreads news on various subject. Communication और न्यूज़ के लिए यूज़ होता है such a politics, business, crime, science and sport. Means newspaper covered all of region like politics, business, crime, science, sport. Some newspapers are published in daily, means some newspaper published daily to daily, while others are published weekly, means some newspaper publishes weekly. India is considered one of the largest publisher of newspaper in the world. Means India publish of newspaper in large quantity in the world. Fill in the blanks with the names of the popular Indian newspapers. Use help box. Give Indian newspaper. First, Blanks is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It was founded in 1942 during the Quiet India movement. It is considered one of the most read newspaper in India. So, this newspaper has in Hindi language, and this newspaper founded in 1942 means before independence of India, and it is the most read newspaper in India. So answer is Dainik Jagran. Dainik Jagran is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It was founded in 1942 during the Quiet India movement. It is considered one of the most read newspapers in India. Second, for Blanks is one of the circulate English language newspaper in India. Its headquarters is in Chennai. It is the first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition. So this newspaper has an English language and headquarters in Chennai. First Indian newspaper offer an online edition. So answer is The Hindu. So The Hindu is one of the most circulate English language newspaper in India. Its headquarters is in Chennai. It is the first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition. Fifth, Blanks is a Malayalam language daily newspaper. This Kerala based newspaper is the largest selling regional language newspaper in India. This newspaper has a Malayalam language and it is the daily newspaper, and this newspaper Kerala based newspaper and large selling newspaper. So answer is Malayala Manorama. Answer is Malayala Manorama. 6. Blanks is a Tamil language daily newspaper. It has its headquarters in Chennai and it is the largest daily newspaper printed in Tamil language. Means this newspaper has a Tamil language and it is the daily newspaper and headquarters in Chennai. It is the largest daily newspaper printed in Tamil language. So answer is Dinathanti. Dinathanti is a Tamil language daily newspaper. It has its headquarters in Chennai and is the largest daily newspaper printed in Tamil language. 7. Blanks is a Marathi language daily newspaper. The name of this Nagpur based newspaper means people's opinion in Marathi. So this newspaper has a Marathi language and it is the daily newspaper, and Nagpur based this newspaper, and meaning of this newspaper is people's opinion in Marathi. So answer is Lokmat. Lokmat is a Marathi language daily newspaper. The name of this Nagpur based newspaper means people's opinion in Marathi. Prime Ministers of India 1947 to 2019. First, Jawaharlal Nehru from 15 August 1947 to 27 May 1964, 16 year 286 days. Second, Gulzarilal Nanda from 27 May 1964 to 9 June 1964, 13 days. Third, Lal Bahadur Shastri from 9 June 1964 to 11 January 1966, 1 year 216 days. Fourth, Gulzarilal Nanda from 11 January 1966 to 24 January 1966, 13 days as a acting PM. Fifth, Indira Gandhi from 24 January 1966 to 24 March 1977, 11 years 59 days. Sixth, Morarji Desai from 24 March 1977 to 28 July 1979, 2 year 126 days. Seven, Charan Singh from 28 July 1978 to 14 January 1980, 170 days. Again, Indira Gandhi from 14 January 1980 to 31 August 1984, 4 years 291 days. Ninth, Rajiv Gandhi from 31 August 1984 to 2nd December 1989, 5 year 32 days. 10th, Vishwanath Pratap Singh from 2nd December 1989 to 10 November 1990, 343 days. 11th, Chandrasekhar from 10 November 1990 to 21 June 1991, 223 days. P.V. Narasimha Rao from 31 June 1991 to 16 May 1996, 4 years 330 days. 4 years 330 days. 13, Atal Bihari Vajpayee from 16 May 1996 to 1 June 1996, only 16 days. 14. H.T. Devgonda, H.D. Devgonda, from 1 June 1996 to 31 April 1997, 324 days. 15. Inder Kumar Gujral, from 31 April 1997 to 19 March 1998, 332 days. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, from 19 March 1998 to 22 March 2004, 6 year 64 days. Manmohan Singh, from 22 March 2004 to 26 May 2014, 10 year 4 days.
Uncombent. Uncombent.
Uncombent.
Uncombent. Uncombent.
Uncombent. Uncombent means still continue. Narendra Modi, from 26 May 2042, uncombent, 5 year 116 days.